Hello to today's session. In this session, we are going to learn how to calculate various descriptive statistics values in Excel, for which I'm taking a small little problem. The following data is used. The data gives value of equity holdings of 20 of India's billionaires. The full list is given below. So these are the billionaires, okay? Their names and equity holdings in rupees is provided. And using this data, we are required to make a few calculations. Fine. So let's start. What is the maximum value of equity holding by these billionaires? So it's simple. I just need to calculate the maximum value. Okay. So we will start by using the function. Let me zoom it a bit so that you will be in a position to watch it clearly. Okay. So I think this would be fair enough. Now we will use the max when we are supposed to calculate the maximum. Okay. So max and just simply select your data range. So this is the data range I need to use. I selected this, close the bracket, okay, hit enter. So this is the maximum value. Simple. So you have to just use the max function. Okay. I'll write the function over here so that you can, okay, just use max. Then let us calculate the minimum value. It's again quite simple, is equal to min, select your data, close your parenthesis, hit enter. Your minimum value is calculated. I'll write the function here, min. Simple. Okay. Now we need to calculate the mean. So for calculating the mean, we would use the function average. Okay. So again, the process is same. Select the data, close the parenthesis, hit enter. I'll write the function here. Okay. Now let's calculate the median value is equal to median. Okay. Again, select your data, hit enter. Now we have an extra parenthesis, so we have to remove that. Right. Now just hit enter, you get your median. So, okay. Now we need to calculate the standard deviation. Okay. So for calculating the standard deviation, we'll use the function equals stdev. Okay. So take the function stdev, calculate your data, sorry, select your data. This is my data, selected, hit enter. This is your standard deviation. Okay, stdev. Now let's calculate the variance is equal, okay, var, again select your data, hit enter, you get your variance. Fine. Now just I'll do the basic formatting for you so that the visibility and clarity improves. Just bold it. I'll fill some color. Okay, and this tabular formatting. Fine. So I hope you learned how to calculate the maximum value, minimum value, average, median, standard deviation, and variance for a given data set. So I hope you found this useful. Keep visiting. Do like, share, and subscribe to spread a good word. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. tutorial